Okay, and the boys have now taken a shower. Both are nice and clean with the pajamas on, right, Remy? Nice and clean. Uh-oh. Look, we got a new game for you. Look. It's a Velcro board. Okay. All right, can you help Gogo? How are we doing it? Did you open it up? So we have 2 Velcro balls and 2 Velcro darts. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay. Let's put it up and play. Play, Remy? Play.
How do we do it? You do it first.
All right. So this is a ball. This is a dart. I'm going to show you guys what to do. Okay, Remy? There is the targets. And we're going to throw the ball like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Oh, okay. Well, that didn't go.
Let's see your
Let's try the dart.
Oh, good job.
Okay, good job. You did it. Oh, you got 2 of 2. Awesome. Okay, let Remy play. All right. Okay, good. So Remy likes tossing the balls so far. Well, this new game. Okay, let's see you. Oh, you got 1. Oh, that one went too far.
It's not my turn. Whatever.
All right, good job. That's a hanging dart. Okay, Remy, you want to throw your ball? Throw your ball.
Get this Velcro off.
But it's fine as long as you keep using it.
All right, good job hanging.
All right, Sophia.
Are you hanging it? There, Remy, you can throw it while he's holding it up. Throw it at the dartboard. You can do it. Oh, nice try. Okay, try again. At the dartboard. Oh, yeah, he got 1.
Oh, I think was be the winner.
Oh, yeah? Okay, try again. All we're trying to do is make it stick. Be nice to your brother.
First, stand here.
That's right, you can go a little closer.
And try that.
Next time we should have a blowing contest. Oh, nice trick, buddy. Okay, Remy, you want to... Yeah, try it. All right, did he get that on? Oh, good job, Remy. Good job. Okay, that's it for tonight. You guys want to get ready for bed now? Or play some more? Play some more? Okay. Remy, say bye for now. And that's my new toy for today. Remy, wave. Good night. Bye, Remy.